Hi Marilyn, Shannon Coward here with Tameron Hyundai. You had made an internet inquiry on the Accent GS. Well, the specific one that you inquired about is currently out on a test drive, but this will give you a brief overview. This is the black that we have on our front lawn. Now when you come through the vehicle, this is a hatchback. Ample room in the back. Now on the steering wheel you've got cruise control. This vehicle also has CD player, auxiliary, iPod, USB, AM, FM, XM satellite radio is free for the first 3 months. I want to tell you real quick, Marilyn, about the America's Best warranty. There's a 10-year, 100,000 mile on the powertrain. If that's not good enough, Tameron, the dealership, adds another 100,000 to make it 200,000 miles or 20 years, whichever one comes first. You have a 5-year or 60,000 mile new vehicle warranty, a 7-year anti-corrosion, and a 5-year roadside assistance. We pack you with the America's Best warranty. My name is Shannon. Give me a call, 205-907-4700. Again, that's 205-907-4700. The number at the dealership, 205-380-6250. Please come in. We're not missing any business. We've got 2 more working days for the end of the month. Take advantage of it. I look forward to meeting with you and working with you very soon. Thank you, Marilyn.